actually quite an exciting time to be in the electrical industry. A lot of change around, the way we generate power, the way we use power. That's going to bring new levels of complexity to the electrical industry. If you start thinking about smart technology in everything from the home to industry, then you look at EV, power storage. This is going to need sort of new skills, and that creates new opportunities for everybody, and that's pretty exciting. My connections to the electrical industry, I guess, start a long time ago. Like a lot of people, you'll have a family member who was possibly an electrician. I started with my uncle. I used to help him with rewires, things like that, doing all the bad jobs that everybody does. Strangely, that then inspired me to go further. I got GCSEs, A-levels, all the things you do, and then I decided to take a year in industry, and I worked in maintenance, repair and operations in a factory, that was quite interesting. I learned how to rethread a fuse. That was in week 1, and that inspired me to go a lot further. So I took a degree in electrical engineering at the University of Manchester, and that has basically opened the doors to a career in the lighting industry, where I spent 20 years. So, coming to eFIXX sort of brings that back, brings it back to where I started, really, connecting back to the electrician and the electrical contractor. But this industry is an enjoyable place to be. It can be challenging at times. It can be a lot of fun. Some of the fun I've had, you couldn't make it up almost. I once hung outside a building, a skyscraper, tallest building in Beijing, and the power went off. So we were investigating some electrical faults on a lighting media facade, as they call it. So yeah, that can be fun. I've met Italians in restaurants in New York to gain access to tunnels to look at tunnel lighting. So that was quite a bizarre experience. And yeah, so any industry people work in can be fun if you seek those interesting opportunities and you want to expand what you do. Market challenges, now technology is moving so fast that people need to keep learning new skills, keep learning about new products that come to market. That in itself, it is a challenge, and the way we communicate with the way industry communicates with customers. There's so many channels people can learn from now, from face-to-face events or YouTube, social media, and that they're all each, you can't ignore any one of them. You almost have to be in every channel communicating with different audiences in different ways. My specialism in eFIXX, I guess I like new technology, new markets, finding out what's going to impact the industry in the near to medium term, really. Where's the opportunities for people to grow their business? Where's the skills gaps? Where's the new products coming? And that's what I try and spend my time doing, looking for those great opportunities that are out there in this changing market.